UAVS stock analysis next week. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Ageagle Aerial Systems stock's been sitting at 353, like 10.3% off for the day. Where the heck are we heading next? The way that I'm observing UAVS is that it's quite of a bearish market, and this is what my kind of chart looked like. Nothing has changed here. Like the way, like what this thing meant was that if I saw like a decent double break, then this is a market that I'll short. And I'm still yet to see that double break, but it's definitely moving kind of in my direction. It's only really going to counter something that I'll be bearish on if I start seeing certain breaks below like $3. Then and only then I really, with a full candle close though, right? Not just wicks, but a full candle close. And if I see that, then and only then this is something that I'll kind of clip. If not, then, you know, I'll just observe it and do nothing. If you want to learn the strategy for free, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.